back to my channel, Random Things, back on the cooking/baking series. It's about time. We did cooking last time, which I'll show you a very nice picture of the cottage pie, but we are baking today. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be an extra chocolatey one, an extra fun one. Why? Because I'm tempted to make the world's largest, giant Oreo cookie. Yes, you guessed it, not little ones, a massive one. So here we go. Smash that like button and let me know what your favourite chocolate is in the comments. I'm not even lying when I say one of my favourite chocolates is actually Oreo. I absolutely do love Oreo and I don't have it that often because obviously I know it's not very good for me, but today is a special day. We're just going to get right into it and have a load of chocolate. So we will enjoy this later on and I'm sure you're very excited to see the end product. So if you are new here, my name's Sam, you know what you need to do. Smash that subscribe button and join the growing family. And I will leave a brand new playlist on the channel for you guys. So you don't have to wonder where all the chocolate is. Guess what? It's called chocolate. A brand new playlist called chocolate. Go and hit on my YouTube channel, go to playlist and you will find chocolate. Anything, whether it's DIYs, whether it's cooking/baking series, anything to do with chocolate, you will find it. So that's going to be very nice for you guys. So let's get into this. Let's go. Here we are, guys, in the famous kitchen once again. Now let's get cooking. Correction, let's get baking. These are all the ingredients you are going to need over here. So we will need some plain flour. You will need 1 medium or large egg. You will need some cocoa powder, icing sugar, butter. Then we've got some baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, vanilla extract, and this is vegetable shortening, which goes in the filling. And here are my brand new measuring cups. So as you can see, you've got 1/4 cup, 1/3, half, and 1 cup. So that's absolutely shamazing. We will need, obviously, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, and this is the ginormous baking round spring pan it's going in. So this is going to be very interesting, guys. And I've got that just in case I want to use it. And of course, guys, can't go forgetting me sugar. You'll definitely be needing that. A little bit of table salt. Of course, can't get my ginormous bowl, my mixing bowl. Got me 1.5 cups of sugar, guys. That looks like a lot of sugar. I've actually nearly run out of sugar too, all because I'm using this. But don't worry, I will get some more. That's our sugar. Next, we're going to need 1.25 cups of flour. So this is our 1 cup. That is our 1/4 cup. Let's get to this, guys. Another bowl and our flour. Oops. Casual. I think that'll do, guys, for it. You make a mess of the joint. Right, there's me 1 cup. Oops. This is, wait, I'm not doing it like that. I'm gonna go all over the place. Well, hey, my 1/4 cup. That's all nice and done with the flour, and I've made a mess. I'll just put that in to even it up like. There we go. Flour and sugar all ready. I tell you guys, when I bought these, I absolutely knew I'd be using these for something, so thinking and planning ahead. Brand new cocoa, guys. Brand spanking new. It's new. Oh, we'll pull the lid off. Cocoa at its finest. Tesco's finest cocoa, guys. We can't go wrong. And Tesco is in England, if you're not sure. Doesn't matter where you get it from, as long as it is cocoa. Now we need 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup, here we go. Let's hope I don't make a mess, guys. Ooh. Oh, I really think I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna use a teaspoon and just level it in because I ain't taking no risks. Look at me counter already. That is so much more than what you think. Oh, we did it, look at that. Look how much has gone already. That's crazy. Got a little bit more. I think that'll do, guys. I'm gonna go over cocoa in ourselves, do we? And cocoa. Well, hey, I love these little, that little investment I got with them. Clean up a minute. Excusez-moi. Oh, nice. Look at that. Brand new. Guys, this is where our softened butter comes in, and we're going to need roughly 110 grams of butter. And that is very soft. Oh my god, I've nearly used all my butter. All for you guys. And butter. So now we need a teaspoon of baking soda. This, guys, again is brand new because I don't use that much. So that's our teaspoon. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which I'm gonna say is that much. And another one, a 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. So here we go, that much. Well, hey, now we're all ready to mix these beauties up. This is the fun part. This is where we add all our ingredients. It's starting to form. It just takes a bit longer than, I don't know, mixing a cake mix. We're starting to get lumps out of it now. And here is our dough mix. Now we're going to put it in our baking tray. So I've got a bit of greaseproof paper. I'm just going to line the bottom of this with our Oreo cookie dough. There we go, that's what one full bottom of Oreo cookie base looks like. This just needs to go in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Our Oreo cookie base mix is all baked and all cool. Guys, we have our filling all mixed. I am just going to literally put it on top and let's get this cooking. Oh my god, I'm being overflowed by filling! This is like a double Oreo. Oh my god, I can't do any more surely. Look at all this! My Oreo snow dome! Oh no! Round 2, we are going to do the lid of the Oreo now. Ta-da! In the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. don't even want to know how heavy this is. We gone and did it. We made the world's largest Oreo cookie. Oh my days. We are gonna so enjoy this after we've had dinner, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this weekend video. That's all I can say. That is literally how you make the most giant Oreo cookie in the world. So chocolatey. What can I say? I hope you like this, and I like this. We'll certainly be enjoying this later on. So smash that like button. Is there any other Oreo things that you reckon should be on the Randomthings channel? Let me know. I'll see what I can do about it. And of course, subscribe if you're new, because you don't want to be missing out on this beauty, do you? So yeah, this is such a fun one, guys. And it's something that I feel a bit of accomplishment, because it's like I've never done a giant cake, Oreo cake like that, should I say. So yeah, that's great. And yeah, we're all loving this lovely weather in the UK. What can I say? That's the end of the video, guys. I'm sure you're all loving the chocolate. Like I said, there's a new playlist here for chocolate. Go and watch all the chocolate. You don't want to be missing out on any chocolate. Who wants to miss out on chocolate? And this is going to be so yummy. And that's a wrap. That's all I'm going to say. Ciao for now. What can I say, guys? Smashed another chocolate video on this channel. This time Oreo. Let me know what you think in the comments, and of course, subscribe if you're new.